Affinity version 3.2 has just been released, and in this video, I'll show you the biggest changes that you should know about. Let's get started. The first update is a brand new tool, the Vector Blob brush. Just like the regular paintbrush tool, the Blob brush allows you to draw whatever you want. But unlike the paintbrush, this drawing is a vector, so we can edit it however we want. Just get out the node tool, or hold Command or Control to temporarily use it. The Blob brush also allows you to add to your drawings. Just have a vector layer selected, and then as you paint over it, everything you paint will be added to the same layer. And in addition to the Vector Blob brush, we also got the Vector Erase brush. With this tool, anything you paint will be removed from the vector. Up next is a fun little update. We can now add custom bullet points. First, give your text regular bullet points from the context toolbar. Then open the paragraph panel and come to Bullets and Numbering. From here, you just need to click this little button. Then you can select any image on your computer. And just like that, we've added custom bullet points. Now to finish the video, there's one last major update. Affinity 3.2 has added support for color fonts, which are special fonts that have color built right into them. So once you've installed a color font on your computer, you can use it the same way as any other font. If you'd like to try color fonts, I'll leave a link in the video description to where you can download some for free. And there you have it. Those are the biggest updates in version 3.2. There's not a ton of changes, but it's only been 1 month since the last update, so I'm still excited for Affinity's progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.